gonna see a buck. Now this deer right here might turn out to be a pretty good buck. Now you know what day of the month it is. He right there, he's about 165 yards from me. He might turn out to be a pretty good buck, boy. I've got this Element optic scope on about 15 power. It's sort of getting dark out here. I've got this trigger cam on him. That's what you're looking through. Trigger cam, what you're seeing. He's still got some more growing to do. He might turn out to be a pretty decent buck.